In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Sign In with Google for your account and connected apps. First, let's quickly talk about what Sign In with Google actually is. Whenever you see a button that says Continue with Google or Sign In with Google on a website or app, that means you're using your Google account to log in instead of creating a separate username and password. It's convenient, but it also means those apps are connected to your Google account and may have access to some of your information. If you want more control or you're trying to clean up old connections, turning this off is a smart move. To get started, open a browser and make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to manage. Then, go to your Google account settings page. The easiest way is to click your profile picture in the top right corner of a Google page, like Gmail or Google Search, and then choose the option that takes you to Manage your Google account. Once you're on the main Google account page, look for the section related to security or third-party access. This is usually called something like Security or Security and Privacy in the left-hand menu. Click that, and then scroll down until you find an area labeled Third-Party Access, Third-Party Apps with Account Access, or Signing In with Google. Here you'll see a list of apps, websites, and services that you've used Sign In with Google for. Go through this list carefully. For each app you no longer use or no longer trust, click on it. You should see an option to remove access or disconnect it from your Google account. Confirm that you want to remove access. Repeat this for every app or site you want to turn off. By doing this, you're effectively turning off Sign In with Google for those services. They'll no longer be able to use your Google account, and in most cases, you'll need to create a separate login on those platforms if you still want to use them. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review this section every few months. Apps you tried once and forgot about may still be connected. Cleaning them up reduces unnecessary access to your data and keeps your account more secure. And that's it. You've gone through your Google account, reviewed the apps that use Sign In with Google, and removed the ones you don't want connected anymore.